To get your Spotify DNA chart, first of all go to any web browser and search Ing Spotify. Now here you will see an Ing Art website. Below here you will see DNA option. So first click on this DNA option. Now after entering the website, it will take you automatically to Spotify DNA chart option page. Now from here you have to connect your Spotify account. You can connect using Spotify username or email. Now after entering your Spotify details, you will land onto this page where you will see your Spotify chart. It's by default set to last month, so you can set to last 6 months or lifetime. Using the options given below here, you can also select your certain playlist too. Now after a few seconds, your Spotify DNA chart will be updated to whatever the option you have selected. You can also change the color of the DNA chart using the options given below. And you can name your Spotify chart too. Now you can take a screenshot of this page. Or if you want to download, then you can click on share and then click on share card. And now hold onto the card, and here you will see an option to download image. And now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.